Hey, Kathleen here. I am sharing Melissa and Doug's monster bowling set with these 6 monster bowling pins, this monster bowling ball, and the mesh carry bag. I gave this set to my granddaughter when she was just under 2, and she really treated these guys more like little stuffed animals, and she loved them. Now, as she's gotten a little bit older, she is treating them more like bowling balls, and because this ball isn't perfectly round, you can't really aim it because it's lumpy, right? So even if you had really good aim, you're not necessarily going to hit it because this doesn't roll like a normal ball. So what I've been showing her recently was not necessarily try to bowl it, and if she does, I really encourage her to get closer to have more success. But I've been showing her how to like lob it in. And if you lob it in, you're gonna have better success at knocking one down or more than one down. It's not that these are hard to knock down. I just feel like this ball isn't perfectly round. And so even with someone with some aim, trying to roll it isn't going to do well because the lumps kind of veer it off track.